We're going to get started. You can take your time and get to your seats. I'm John Day. It's very, very nice to welcome you here to the Mitchell Park Community Center. So this is a first for us, doing it at this location, and please give us feedback about how you think it works. Were you able to find it? Are you able to find a place to park? Can you get in here okay? This is the third year we've done this, and in the past we've done it on campus, which has some additional challenges, shall we say. But we're going to continue to look for the ideal place to do it. We're also interested in getting your feedback about what to include in the conference, because I think there are any number of issues that come up with regard to CMT. And so this we're not going to try to cover everything in one day. That's absolutely impossible. So we've chosen a few topics that we think kind of cover the waterfront, but are eager to get feedback about things that you wish that we had covered. And next year we'll do it again, and are eager to continue to work with you. It's only by really partnering with the community that we can do as much as possible to confront and ultimately conquer the effects of CMT. So thank you very much for coming. I really commend you for getting here and hope that we can have a great day. This really is ideally interactive, and we can do that in several ways. We will have question and answer periods, and there are notepads and 3x5 cards on your tables, and please, kind of as different talks are going on and a new question comes to mind, just jot it down, and kind of wave it in the air whenever you are so inclined, and one of us will come around and pick it up, and we'll use that to address various issues that I think are important to you all in the Q&A period. So please take advantage of that. Also, we're all going to be here, many of us, all day long, so don't be afraid to come up and introduce yourself. We'll try to introduce ourselves to everybody and talk with you and find out the specific issues that you might have or that you're interested in, if you want to talk about it. Or we can set up other times to do that. The restrooms are right through that door, if you want to go that way, or that might be locked, at least coming back. So if you go out and go down there, that's where the restrooms are. It's not locked? You've explored, okay, great. And the lights in the restroom might be out, but they're motion detectors, and so if you walk into it, they should come back on. So that's where that is. And then I just wanted to at least have you meet a few members of the team at Stanford who are here. So Jennifer Fisher, there you are, is in the back waving there. So many of you know Jennifer or have kind of had some contact with her to get here today. Michaeline Oberst is there as well. A genetic counseling intern is here as well. So Carly Siskind, many of you know well, unfortunately couldn't be here today. So she's back in Michigan or wherever she is. I'm not sure. She always is flying back to Michigan. She has deep roots there. And so she's the genetic counselor whom you most know. And Carolyn is here as well. And anybody else that I'm missing from our team? Oh, right, Lisa's here. So sorry, Lisa, I can't see that well in the back. I hadn't seen you come in. So Lisa's a new member of our team and works on the pediatric side as a nurse practitioner over there. So please feel free to corner any of us. I'll be here all day, and other team members will come in during the day to talk about whatever it is that you're interested in talking about. Any other infrastructural issues, Jennifer, that I was supposed to bring up? Great. Okay, so it's a great pleasure for me to introduce David Meisner, who came all the way from Albany to join us today. David is well known in the CMT community and brings special insight and knowledge from his work with CMT patients for many years, and can guide us through the issue about what braces might be of value. So I'm going to immediately turn over the mic so I can go and sit down in a chair and write down a bunch of notes myself and learn from him along with you. So it's really, really great to have him here. I was glad that he was able to come out with his family and to get a glimpse, at any rate, of the Bay Area and see it rain in October, which is not special on the East Coast, but is special to us. So it's great to have you here. So David, thanks for participating in this.